Baloch culture. The culture of the Baloch people is distinct and diverse, rooted in a rich history and identity. Primarily residing in the Baloochistan region spanning Iran, Pakistan, and Afghanistan, they foster a strong sense of community and a deep love for their land. Their cultural heritage finds expression through their language, music, art, and literature.
Balochi, an ancient and intricate language, belonging to the Indo-Iranian family, is spoken by the Baloch people. It is written using the Arabic script and boasts a vibrant literary tradition, nurtured by poets and writers over the centuries.
Gold ornaments such as necklaces and bracelets are an important aspect of Baloch women's traditions, and among their most favored items of jewelry are heavy earrings that are fastened to the head with gold chains so that the heavy weight will not cause harm to the ears. They usually wear a gold brooch that is made by local jewelers in different shapes and sizes and is used to fasten the two parts of the dress together over the chest. In ancient times, especially during the pre-Islamic era, it was common for Baloch women to perform dances and sing folk songs at different events. The tradition of a Baloch mother singing lullabies to her children has played an important role in the transfer of knowledge from generation to generation since ancient times. Apart from the dressing style of the Baloch, indigenous and local traditions and customs are also of great importance to the Baloch. Baloch Culture Day is celebrated by the Balochi people annually on March with festivities to celebrate their rich culture and history.